If you're considering the Albert iPhone mobile app for managing your finances, there are a few things you should know before making the jump. We'll walk you through 12 key points to help you decide if Albert is the right choice for you, especially when compared to other popular finance apps. First, let's talk about the app's design. It's user-friendly, making it easy for people of all experience levels to manage their finances. However, compared to apps like Mint, which offer more detailed budget breakdowns, Albert's interface is simpler, which can be a pro or a con depending on your needs. Next thing, Albert's budgeting tools are fairly straightforward. The app categorizes your expenses automatically, but it doesn't offer as many granular options as some competitors. If you're someone who wants to track every specific detail of your spending, apps like YNAB might serve you better with more customizable categories. The third thing to consider is the cash rewards program. Albert allows you to earn cash back on select purchases and even gives you a percentage back on certain savings. While this is a nice perk, it doesn't stack up to the cashback offers found in apps like Rakuten or even credit card rewards, which often offer higher returns. Moving on, one of the standout features of Albert is its automated savings. Albert can round up your purchases and stash the change into a savings account. While this is a useful feature for people who struggle to save, apps like Capital offer more customizable savings goals, so you might want to consider how important this is to you. The fifth thing is Albert's financial advice feature. The app connects you to human financial advisors for personalized guidance, but this comes at a cost. Competitors like Mint or Personal Capital offer similar features, but often for free or with lower fees. This might make Albert's pricing structure a deal breaker for some. Next, let's talk about security. Albert uses 256-bit encryption, which is a standard in the industry and ensures that your data is protected. Still, if security is your number one concern, apps like Personal Capital offer additional layers of protection, such as two-factor authentication. The seventh thing to know is the fee structure. Albert has a premium option called Albert Genius, which costs $4.99 a month and gives you access to financial planning tools and more. While the basic version is free, if you're looking for more robust features, the subscription fee might make you think twice. Compare this with Mint, which doesn't charge for premium features at all. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that Albert does not offer investment management, which can be a downside if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. Apps like Personal Capital allow you to track and manage your investments, making them a better option for those looking for more comprehensive financial oversight. The ninth thing is the app's bill tracking feature. Albert automatically tracks your upcoming bills, reminding you when they're due. This is convenient, but not as customizable as other apps, like Pocket Guard, which allows you to categorize bills and recurring payments more specifically. Next, Albert does provide access to a checking account through a partnership with Sutton Bank. While this might be an attractive feature, keep in mind that it doesn't have as many ATM partners as some of the more established competitors like Chime, which offers fee-free ATM access at over 24,000 locations. The 11th point is that Albert offers no credit score monitoring. If keeping track of your credit score is important to you, apps like Mint or Credit Karma give you access to your score for free, something Albert doesn't offer. Lastly, if you're looking for an app that integrates with a wide variety of other financial services, Albert may not be your top choice. While it does offer integrations with some banks and financial services, competitors like Mint or YNAB have a broader list of supported institutions, making them more versatile if you have accounts at multiple institutions. To wrap things up, Albert offers a solid set of features, including budgeting, automated savings, and financial advice, which can be useful for those looking for an easy-to-use app. However, if you want more detailed budgeting, better cashback rewards, or investment tracking, you might want to consider other options. If you're interested in a more well-rounded solution, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.